Hi, my name is Shanika. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you how I blow dry my hair, what products and tools do I use. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. My hair now, just shampooed it. This is my hair with no products in it. It's damp a little bit. Some of it's dried because I've had it in this bun for a little bit. This is how it looks when I took it down from the bun. So you can just kind of see my hair. No products in it at all. Just in case any of you are wondering how my hair looks with no product after it's been shampooed, this is exactly how it looks. And I will have the shampoo I used in the description box down below. I've been loving that shampoo. It's been doing really great for my hair, so definitely check that shampoo out. Again, check the description box down below. All product links and stuff will be down there, and you'll find out what shampoo that I use. Okay, but look at this. I know y'all seeing this, like, this is looking really good. And when I tell you, it is so soft. It's soft. It doesn't feel dried out. Like, y'all need to check this shampoo out. I ain't gonna lie. These are the products I'll be using, as well as the tool to blow dry my hair. I will be showing you the order in which I will use the products as the video goes on. The settings for this blow dryer are cool, low, and high. So this isn't a first impressions. I've used this tool before, but the purple version, the one that's purple and black. And on that one, usually I use low, and then I do a shot of high and go in with the cool shot at the end to seal in my cuticle. Let's see if I have to use the shot of high on this one, but I will be starting out with low, and then if I don't use high, just go in with the cool shot to seal the cuticles. In the next clip, I will be letting you hear the sound of the blow dryer so you can hear how loud it is. So as you can see, my hair's still shiny. Like, you can see the sheen. See that it's pretty straight, like, and it has sheen. And up, this is like where my bra is. Like, bra starts up here, and this is where it is, all down to here. Yeah. That's how long my hair is. I think it's practically waist length or like just above or just reaching. And I just got a trim, so check out my previous video. At the end of this video, there'll probably be a link to that video. So much for watching my video. This is the end. This is how I blow dry my hair. I do plait them again, like I said earlier in the beginning, to keep them elongated. So from this point, and I do 5 plaits on each side, as you can see. Okay, 3 at the front half of my hair and 2 at the back. And it's soft, it's moisturized. Like obviously when you're blow drying, you don't want it super duper moisturized, I guess, especially if you're going to go in and straighten it, because you want it to have that more lighter look. It's stretched, so I can do a twist out or braid out, like really literally take these out and then like section them smaller and do them in smaller, so that way I could wear it like that, and then later on I take them down and have like a more stretched braid out or twist out, so it would look a little different because it is blow dried. It's like a blow dried braid out or twist out. And the other option is blow dry it like this for protective styling. So if I'm going to get my hair braided down in order for me to get a wig or crochet or a sew-in, or even to get like box braids or robe twists, like things like that, or Senegalese twists, like stuff like that, this also can be like a prep in how you like stretch your hair so that you can get those protective styles. So and as always, you always have to be careful with heat. I showed that I use the Redken anti-snap, extreme anti-snap, and I like this as a It's anti-breakage leave-in treatment for distressed hair, so it just like helps with that. And I actually got put on this by the Glam Twins. I really love their channel, love watching them. They talked about this from way back when I was transitioning. I was always watching different videos from them, and this was one of the things they recommended, and I started using it when I blow dry my hair. So always use this first, because I haven't straightened my hair since I've gone fully natural. There was one time where I straightened like the little front here, and that was because it was for a leave out part that I had for my 21st birthday. The next thing I use is this. I found this, the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Metal Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment with Marshmallow Root. So this, it smells really good for one, and two, it's a nice light leave-in conditioner, especially since, you know, I'm gonna be blow drying and all of that. You know, I still don't want anything too heavy when I'm blow drying, so I use that, and it smells really good. And then after that, I kind of go back into essentially, so almost like, you know, your leave-in conditioner, your cream, but first the anti-snap to kind of just prep so that as you're like combing through your hair, or I mean, I would recommend having a wide tooth comb. Like, I only use this little brush here as a substitute, but I would recommend having a wide tooth comb. It's just because I couldn't find my wide tooth comb, or like using your fingers. But especially when it's like your hair's down but you're trying to go through it, the wide tooth comb will be a little bit better than just raking your fingers through. You know, like I do that on a regular basis, but sometimes when you're doing stuff like this, you want to use tools. It's, you know, so you don't have to. I mean, if you're fine without it, then okay. But if you find that you probably need it, have it on deck, have it ready, on standby or whatever, and use that for your hair. So wide tooth comb. I use this, the Camille Rose Naturals Curlaide Moisture Butter, as a little bit of moisture in there, because what I usually use is like shea butter, but I think I was out of some of the shea butter that either I make or the ones that I buy like from different brands. Since I'm out, I found that this has been like a good substitute, and I try to do a little bit, rub it in, just work that in, not too much, because again, I am blow drying my hair. I'm not trying to style it in a curly style. Okay, so then all of that is for, again, treatment for, so my hair, like as we're combing through it, as we're roughing it up, blow drying it, using tools on it, all of that, and heat. You know, the anti-snapper so it doesn't break. The leave-in is actually so it can have like a leave-in treatment still, something to still moisturize it, something to still give it some nourishment. And same thing with the moisture butter, it just seals everything in. That's why, like, if I had shea butter, I'd be using shea butter, because shea butter would eventually seal everything in initially, you know. But that's a substitute that I can use if I don't have shea butter, because like I said, I don't have the shea butter on hand anymore, or at the moment. And then the Chi Hydration Interlink Iron 44 Iron Guard. This is a heat protectant, so I use the heat protectant spray. I also really like Tresemme heat protectant spray, the one with the red, which is the regular thermal protection, but there's also the one that's more protection, that's like a lavender purple one. Just use what you have. That ends the last part before I go in and blow dry my hair. After I spray the Chi, I go in and I use the brush to straighten out, like basically blow out my hair. Now I try to use like the ends parts of it first, because it has a little more of the bristles on there, like the little kind of like boar bristles. So I try to use that part on the side, as you saw, and then like I kind of go in flat, and like I do try to actually round brush it a little bit once I kind of stretch out some of my hair. It's already been blowed and stretched out. That one is different from the one that I had, the purple one. It's the same thing, but I feel like that one gets hot a little more faster. Like I definitely feel like that got a little hotter faster, even on low, because I just use low. I didn't even use high. On the other one that I have, I switch between low and high. Like I'll do low, and then I'll actually do like a burst of high for like one pass through or whatever, and then after that just go on the cool shot and do the cool shot afterwards. But this one I didn't even have to go to high. I just used low, and then I did a cool shot, and that was it. It got my hair a little straighter. So I guess in the sense it's kind of better, but at the same time you just want to be mindful of how much heat you're using And as you also saw, my hair was soft, it was shiny, like it had its sheen to it and everything, and like it smelled good, you know, and I got it like pretty, you know, pretty straightened out with just blow drying it. And imagine from there if all I had to do was just straighten my hair. So you know, I really do like that tool. It's just so much easier than having to use the blow dryer, and like my hands aren't as tired. All right, so this is how I do my blow dry hair, and usually after this I just go into either if I'm gonna style it or use it as a protective style like I've stated earlier. If you want to see more of me like using stretch styles, like doing a twist out, a braid out on blow dried hair, or even just like kind of wearing it out so I could show you how it just looks out, and like maybe just wearing it like that, or doing some styles with it in a more out state. Obviously, you know, when it's like that, the blow dry is not going to last as long because of humidity and everything, so all of that will help it to puff up. But I can still just do it just to show you so you guys can see how it looks. Let me know in the comments down below. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you got value out of it, I'm sure they will too. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my future video uploads. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.